Across the engineering departments, there are multiple competition teams. They're almost entirely student-led, and what they serve to do is work as an extracurricular project. In most cases, there will be a yearly competition that the team will submit their entry for, whether it be a car, a drone, a rocket, or in my case, a total artificial heart.
The people are fantastic.
Everyone is really nice.
It's a great opportunity to make friends.
You can share ideas, no one's ever shut down, you can have a really good laugh, but you also take things seriously and get the work done.
I think if I didn't have the experience at Team Bath, I would not be prepared for the sort of structure you have at the workplace.
Being part of a student competition team is one of the best opportunities you have at university. It looks incredible on your CV because it shows your commitment, it shows that you have a passion for engineering beyond just doing it because it's a good degree.
When you start a job, if you're a design engineer at a company, you've already been a design engineer for Team Bath Zero for however many years while you're at uni.
When I graduate, I'll be joining Williams F1 team as a graduate aerodynamicist. I owe that to Team Bath Racing Electric.
Really helps in pushing you to grow.
The team is a little bit like an engineering startup.
You can easily gain experience with like hands-on manufacturing. Just the experience itself was kind of what pulled me in.
Learning what works, what doesn't. Then when you start actually building something, you start to see how it all intersects together and you gain a deeper appreciation for all of it.
Competition is a very, very unique time for us as a team. A year's worth of work is now put to the test.
We are developing autonomous sailing systems that also generate green energy. As they sail, they will generate energy by spinning a turbine under the water. Where else do you get the opportunity to do that?
What's interesting is one of the tasks is actually building a robust rover, which is the same test they do on any parts that are sent to space.
We get to race the bike that we've designed and get out there, get on the track.
Honestly, one of the best decisions I made was to join a team here in Bath.
I would imagine myself in 10 years' time, I will still remember the nights here. It's going to be a good memory for me for my whole life.
I would say absolutely do it and do it as fast as possible. I think it's such a rewarding experience and I'd say just do it.